everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. So I know I'm a couple days late at announcing our January giveaway, but it has just been so cold outside and I just did not want to make a video outside. So finally today I was like, I'm just gonna make a video inside about it. So it can be cold out there all at once. It's still in the teens out there. It is so cold. This week it's supposed to warm up a little bit, so it'll be a little bit nicer at least, and I'll be able to get outside. This month for January, we're gonna be doing another giveaway with Smart Pots. We are gonna be doing a Big Bag Bed Junior, one of their round raised beds. This is their 50-gallon Smart Pot. These I love. I will insert some pictures of the garden. We love doing these with like a bunch of different lettuce beds. I have 3 of them actually set up outside right now. I have 1 lettuce, 1 spinach, 1 kale. They're perfect for like, you know, for a bed of greens. So I absolutely love this size. It is a great starter size because it will give you a good amount of growing space without being like too large. So it's a really good size to get started with. So this is one that I wanted to do for the month of January to try to help people along for getting ready for their spring gardening. What you need to do to get entered to win this, it's gonna be the same as last month. So all you need to do is just make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then just go through and for the month of January, go through and comment on videos throughout the month, and you will be entered to win as many times as you comment. Only up to 1 comment though per video. So you can be entered as many videos as we make this month. And this month we should actually be doing a lot more. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos this month because we're gonna be really busy getting our seeds started for this upcoming season. Oh, and before I forget, to be entered to win, you do need to live in the continental United States so we can ship this to you. So if you live in the continental United States and you want to be entered to win, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment on our YouTube videos. And I will pull this out. We have a new toy. I'm so excited to try this out. We got a biodome from Park Seed. I haven't used these before and I've heard wonderful things. So I am so excited to use this to start some seeds. I'll make a video all about that whenever I do that, and I'll show you how it works. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Leave any questions in the comment section and I will get back with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you more this month.